Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add email forwarding in Namecheap. Email forwarding lets us receive messages sent to our domain email address in another inbox we already use. Setting up email forwarding helps us manage our emails more easily without creating a separate mailbox. This way, we get messages from addresses like info@ourdomain.com directly in our personal or business email. This keeps us organized and ensures we don't miss important messages. Now, let's go through the process to set up email forwarding on Namecheap. First, open your browser. Once we are in the browser, we go to namecheap.com. After that, we log into our account. Once we have an account, we go to our dashboard. If we do not see the dashboard, we go to Domain List, because this is where we set up email forwarding. To enable email forwarding, click your domain list, then click this drop-down and select Manage. Once we are in the Domain Manager, click Advanced DNS. In the lower part, we will see Mail Settings. Under this, we add a new record. When we are on the record, click Email Forwarding. Here, we can see there is already a host and a value. All we need to do now is save all changes. Once it is saved, we go back to the domain. Now, we are in the section for email forwarding. We need to add a forwarder. For example, the alias is you. This is your email. We can call it to me. Then, forward your email to the address where you want the messages to be sent. Once we have entered the correct forwarding email, we just save changes. This email forwarding usually takes effect after 30 minutes to 1 hour. It will go live on your domain in about an hour and be activated. It's a simple setup that makes managing domain emails easier and more efficient.